So in an A-frame house, the two congruent sides extend from the ground to form a 34-degree angle at the peak. What angle does each side form with the ground? In case you don't know what an A-frame house is or can't visualize it, I'm going to put a picture here right now for you. So this is what an A-frame house is. It actually has sides that extend all the way down to the ground, like this. And so you can see that this is forming an isosceles triangle right there. So what are they saying? Well, they're telling you that the two congruent sides, this side and this side, form here at the peak a 34-degree angle. And if that's the case, and we know it's an isosceles triangle, because that's what an A-frame house is, then we have these base angles congruent. So we need to take whatever number of degrees remains, and we need to divide it up equally among those two base angles. So we say 180 minus the 34 degrees that is formed at the peak is 146 degrees, to be split equally among the two base angles. So 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And you can see that we then have an answer of 73 degrees for each one of those base angles. And we are done.